Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up NETGEAR RBK863S Orbi Whole Home Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System Router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the NETGEAR RBK863S Orbi is a high-performance mesh router system designed to provide fast Wi-Fi coverage across large homes. So let's start the setup process. First, unpack the router packet. Inside the NETGEAR Orbi RBK863S box, you typically get one Orbi Wi-Fi 6 router, two Orbi satellites, a power adapter for each unit, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. These items allow you to quickly connect the router to your modem and place the satellites around your home for full Wi-Fi coverage. Firstly, connect the Orbi router to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into the modem and the other end into the Orbi router's Internet port. Connect the Orbi router to a power outlet using the power adapter. The power LED on the router should light up. Wait for the router's LED to turn solid white or blue, indicating it's ready for setup. Download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and tap Get Started. If you already have an account, tap Sign In. New users must tap Create Account and enter email address, password or security questions. Verify your email if requested. Tap Set up a new system. Select Orbi router from the device list. Allow the app to access Bluetooth, camera, or location permissions. These permissions help the app detect the router automatically. Look at the bottom of the Orbi router. Find the QR code label. Use the app camera to scan the QR code. The app will automatically identify the RBK863S router. The app will ask you to connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Select the network name printed on the router label. Enter the default Wi-Fi password. Return to the Orbi app to continue. The app will automatically check the internet connection. If the modem is connected correctly, the router will detect the internet. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes while the setup continues. Now you will create your own Wi-Fi details. Enter new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, or Wi-Fi password. Next you must create router login credentials. Set admin username, admin password or security questions. These credentials will be used to manage the router later. Plug the satellite units into power in another room. Wait until the LED ring becomes white. The satellites will automatically sync with the router. Now your Orbi mesh system is now fully set up and providing whole home Wi-Fi coverage. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.